Hello everyone, in this video we will learn two different settings in pivot table. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I already create here the pivot table, and here you can see the region, the labels is south, west, east and north. So here I'm going to merge this label, okay? So simply right click on the pivot table and click on the pivot table option, and here you can see the one dialog box is on pivot table option. Then click on the first tab, the layout and format. In layout, the first option, merge and center the cell with the labels. Just click on this box and click on OK, and that's it. Here you can see the labels is merged with the center. Okay. And the second thing, and the second setting. Okay. Suppose you set here the column weight. Okay. Just drag it down and set here the column. But when you refresh this pivot table, suppose I right click on it and click on the refresh, the column width change. Okay. If you don't want to change the set column weight, then simply right click on it. Okay. After the set this width, suppose I set this way. Okay. Right click on it and then click on the same option, pivot table options. And here you can see the first tab, layout and format. And here the second last option, auto fit column width on update. Just untick this option and click on OK, and that's it. Now I just right click on and click on the refresh. You can see the column width is not changed. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.